like to welcome you to New York's LaGuardia Airport. Local time is 4:50. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain brings the aircraft to a complete stop at the gate and turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when you open the overhead bins. The items inside shift around during flight. If you have a connection here this evening, your outbound boarding pass may have the gate information printed on it. However, we always recommend you recheck your gate information with the agent that will be greeting the flight. On behalf of your entire Atlanta-based flight attendant crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. Hope to see you on another one of our flights in the near future. Have a good day.